Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Come join in the adventure today as we go from Lynx Lake to Goldwater Lake and explore the woods in between. It is so cold out. It's 22 degrees right now. I'm eating cold oatmeal. It is 9 o'clock. After the windshield defrosts and I finish eating, we're gonna go hike. But oh my god, it's freezing. 22 is a bit chilly. A bit chilly. Looks like we're good. We're heading to Lynx Lake to go walking. It's like to walk around some lake. It's one of the places that the couple that I met yesterday recommended, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's see.
Wednesdays is free.
It's free?
Wednesdays is free.
Apparently, Wednesdays are free. So we're good. I just gotta get Hudson out of the car and throw my shoes on. All right, buddy. We made it to Lynx Lake. Let's go check it out. Look at this. Yeah, stand up there. It is really beautiful out this morning. I'm very happy that they suggested this lake. It's only supposed to be about a 3-mile walk, so I didn't even bring a backpack. Just freestyling it here. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. How gorgeous. Oh, there's a couple ducks down here. I know, you're like, let's keep going, Mom. Okay, I'm coming. Hutz is in a hurry. Yes, you are. You're like, let's walk. I'm walking you, buddy. I'm walking you. I know, you've been very patient this morning. That is true. I never imagined really lakes in Arizona, but also Arizona being this freaking cold. It's like not even 30 degrees out. We're definitely chilly today. Let's come back down here. Oh, the water's not frozen, so obviously it's not like cold all the time, but it's freaking cold. It's February 2nd, so I guess like if it's gonna be cold, this is the time of the year, but brr. It was 22 at my camp this morning. Freaking freezing. Okay, buddy. Lynx Lake. Is it cool? You like it? You're not going swimming. It's too cold. Oh, what a babe. We've made it to the opposite side of the lake. So I guess we're walking the full thing one way or another, huh, bud? So we spotted all the ducks. Yeah. That's very exciting, but let's not get attacked by any duck, okay? You scared them off. I know. Looks fun. So the trail gets kind of weird. We're kind of at the tail of the lake, I guess, or what the river that feeds into the lake. But yeah, we're just like trucking through some woods right now. The lake is not in sight. Hopefully we turn around and head back towards it soon. Apparently right here is actually where we're supposed to cross. Come here. So we had passed this part already and we're a little further up the stream. So we turned around, we came back. This is where we're supposed to cross. Come on. Now we're back on the right path. All right, headed back towards the lake. Well, I am. Okay, Hudson is too. Check out this bird. I don't know what it is. It's got really long legs, like a stork or something. What are you doing? Oh, we're back at the beginning? I guess so. Hold on, Huts. We gotta grab your bag of poop. And here it is. Back at the car, getting some hydration. Very important. Done with our first walk of the day. Lynx Lake. Now we're gonna head to Goldwater Lake, which is 20 minutes away. That trail is apparently 9 miles, so that's gonna take us longer to do. I don't actually know if we have enough time today to do it, but we'll at least go do part of it. Apparently we've made it. Time to go start hiking. Okay, nice. This is my favorite time of the day. I think it's his too. It's when he's off leash and free. Yeah, when you get to enjoy yourself. Oh, the handsome boy. Where are you going? What? Come on. Yes. No, no, no. We're not chasing light. Just go forward. We've only gone a mile on this trail, and I've shed my coat and put my hair up because I'm getting hot. I would guess it's probably like maybe 40 degrees out. It's not hot by any means, but I had too many layers on. Huts is hiking right behind me. I don't even have him on leash. He's just following behind my feet. Yeah, bit hot. So we're clearly walking through like a prescribed burn area. There's the boy. Here's part of the prescribed burn now. Still smoking. Come on, dude. Come on. Oh yeah. We made it to this kind of neat looking spot. We've only gone 1.7 miles. We gotta pick up the pace. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Huts. Come on, you're faster than me. There you go. Go. Yeah. We can see the lake down there. Woo! Let's go. I'm pretty pumped to see the lake because we've climbed like 500 feet, a little over 500 feet to get here in just 2.5 miles. So, what? I don't know if we're gonna walk around the whole lake. I don't know if I want to walk 9 miles. But we'll at least get down to it. This trail that we're on doesn't appear to actually get close to the lake. Like, we're not gonna actually be right up next to it. So we're 3 miles in. I don't really want to walk 9 miles. We're gonna turn around now. Like, I know what to expect going back. Maybe we'll attempt this when we have more of the day left, but it's already like, I don't know, 1 o'clock. I don't really want to walk another 6 miles, so we're gonna turn around. Let's go. Let's go. We're going back. Goodbye, Goldwater. No, you're probably like, Jess, why didn't you go all the way? Like, you could have done it. I could have. I just am choosing not to. We walked around one lake today. I didn't really think 9 miles was a great idea to start at like 11:30. And I did it anyways. So I'm okay. We could see the lake from up here. There's actually 2 lakes. And the trail I'm on doesn't take you like right next to them. It takes you like up around the edge, I guess. Maybe tomorrow we'll try and find like the trail that's actually next to them. Probably not. We'll probably find something else, but hey, we got another walk in at least. I mean, we still have to hike all the way back out. We still got to hike 3 more miles, so we're doing 6 miles instead of 9, which I'm okay with. We already hiked 3 this morning. Yeah. I think Hudson's cool with it too. Made it back to the smoking tree. To this sign up here. How far do we got to go? Maybe 2 miles? All along this path right now, there's tons of little chunks of granite. Yeah, hello, welcome. Thank you for waiting, good job. I just picked up this little piece of granite. There's like seriously tons of little chunks all along this path. Just like that, we're back. Are you happy? I'm happy. Hello, baby. I missed you. All right. Just got a shower at Planet Fitness. Feeling good. I was really kind of gross. Now I'm heading back to the car. Then we're gonna go find camp, probably at the same spot that we've been at the last 2 days, make some food, and call it a day. We made it back to camp. Now it's time to cook some food, or at least eat some food. He had dinner. I had dinner. I had 2 rice cakes, some raspberries, and some combos. Now we're just hanging out. It's like 3:30. I'm clean. We've walked plenty enough today. Yeah. We're just gonna chill, Huts. Are you cool with that? Maybe we'll take a stroll around here. It's still freezing outside, so I moved us in the car. We're taking a break. I will take him on a little stroll, but not yet. Not yet, Huts. You gotta wait a little bit. Look at this cute boy. You're keeping my feet warm down there. Yeah, just lay back down. We'll get out in a little bit. And then I'll take you on a little stroll, and then we'll go to bed. You're so cute. You're so handsome and cute. Oh, yes you are. You are. How did I get so lucky to have you? How did I get so lucky to have a dog like you? What? You're my boy. Hudson and I are just getting out of the car. Gonna enjoy the last of the light. We got like an hour till it's dark. Let him stretch his legs out some more. Across the road, there is a whole bunch of deer just hanging out, eating some grass. Hudson's staring across the road at the deer. He's so cute. What a handsome boy. What a handsome boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, you are.